Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan sushi at home. First, let's prepare our foundation, the sushi rice. Begin by thoroughly rinsing 1 cup of sushi rice until the water runs clear, then cook it perfectly. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. This gives your rice that authentic sushi flavor and texture, making it perfectly sticky and slightly sweet. Now, let's explore the exciting world of vegan fillings. The beauty of vegan sushi lies in its versatility and the fresh ingredients you can use. Think about incorporating thinly sliced avocado for creaminess, crisp cucumber for crunch, and julienned carrots for a touch of sweetness. For a heartier option, consider adding marinated baked tofu or pan-fried mushrooms. These choices provide a wonderful variety of textures and flavors, making each bite a delightful experience. With your rice and fillings ready, it's time to master the roll. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread about 3/4 of a cup of seasoned sushi rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line across the bottom third of the rice. Now, carefully roll the mat tightly from the bottom, pressing gently to form a firm, compact cylinder. A tight roll is key for perfect slices. Finally, let's slice and serve your beautiful homemade vegan sushi. For the best results, use a very sharp, damp knife to cut each roll into 8 even pieces. Remember to wipe the knife blade clean with a damp cloth between each cut. This prevents sticking and ensures clean, precise slices. Arrange your freshly cut sushi artfully on a platter and serve immediately. Offer traditional accompaniments such as soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi for a complete and authentic experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.